Hi, let's get started with Scala. Scala is a functional programming language that gets executed on the JVM. It gets compiled to bytecodes and your JVM executes it. So let's write a simple hello world in Scala. So what I've done is I've created a hello.scala file, just like how you create a .java file, you have a .scala file. And let's start by creating an object, hello world. I'm going to have a main method, say args that takes in an array of string. It doesn't return anything. So here I'm going to have println hello Scala. So what I've done is I've created an object called hello world with a main method. Now this is slightly different from your class, right? In Java we usually create a class called hello world and write a public static void main method. Now instead you create an object in Scala. You can create a class in Scala, but here you just used a keyword called object. So this is a singleton object. So hello world is a singleton object with a main method. Let's run this from the command prompt. So what you can do is you can just type Scala and name of the file hello.scala. Now this automatically compiles it to bytecodes and you get the output. Now what I've done is I've installed Scala SDK from your scala-lang.org. The latest version is I think 2.11. I've added the bin folder to the path. So once you launch your Scala executable from the command prompt, it automatically picks it up. What I've used is a TextMate editor to run the simple code. I'm a great fan of TextMate editor, but if you're not very comfortable with the text editor, you want something solid IDEs like Eclipse or NetBeans, you can always use a Scala IDE, which is an Eclipse editor with Scala plugin bundled and available to you. You can download it from the Scala site. Here is your Scala IDE. What you can do is you can create a new project. You can create a new Scala project, and let's call this my first Scala app. And let me click finish. Let's create a Scala object, call it hello world with the main method, though it really says public static void main. It's going to actually generate the def main code. Let's type in println hello world. You want to run this, get hello world. Go to the navigator screen, you go to the bin folder, you can see the .class files generated. So what we have done is we've created a simple example, okay, of printing hello world in Scala. We've not really written any functional code or anything in this example. Okay, so in the next section, okay, we'll start with some simple data types, okay, and understand how to write simple functional code in Scala. If you have any questions, you can always mail prabhu@durasoftindia.com. Thank you.